Now, before we get started, the first thing I'm gonna do is set up our workspace. I'll be working here on a Windows, but will be using very basic tools to build sites. So, you should be able to set your system up and follow along with me no matter what operating system you're using. Now, first of all, I have got the working files right here on my desktop. You can put them wherever you like. Just make sure they are convenient and you can find them. And inside this folder, I have a folder for each one of the chapters, and they contain the files that we will be using as we go through the lessons. I'll just let you know whenever I'm going to be opening up a file from here. Down at the bottom of the chapters, I have a completed site sample folder, and this folder contains a copy of the finished website that we are going to be building. Now, to build web pages, we really only need two applications. We need a program to edit and write text files, and we need a browser to preview them. Here I'll be using the notepad for writing my files. Now, if you are using a Mac, you could choose to use TextEdit, which is a very similar program, and both of these programs actually come free with the operating system. For my preview browser, I'll be using Firefox. You can choose whatever browser you want, but Firefox is also free for both the Mac and PC platform. Now we are ready to start our first web page. Let me add a little bit of text so that we have something to see on our page. I just put up here my first web page. And now let's save our new HTML document. Now in general we can use whatever name you want. So I'm gonna name this file post page, and we need to pay attention to the extension at the end of this file name. So instead of using a txt extension, I'm gonna either use htm or html extension. Now it doesn't really matter which extension you choose, so we just save it in my chapter 1 folder so that I can find it. And now we have our first basic web page created. Let's go see how it looks. And there we can see how our page looks.